Okay, so this is what it looks like when it's installed. It's not going anywhere. It fits on multiple size ball. But yeah, that's not going anywhere or pulling off or anything, so very secure. Hey guys, wanted to make a review video. This is from Reese Tow Power high security heavy duty coupler lock. And so I really wanted a strong lock that you couldn't just cut through with a bolt cutter. Here's where the keys go in. It comes with 2 keys, but super heavy duty. You're going to put this right in the tongue, and then this wraps over the top. Fits 1 7/8 couplers, fits 2-inch couplers, fits 2 5/16 couplers. Okay, so the main thing is this going over the top, but very easy to use. Got this 2 sets of keys here that this is going to slide up on. As soon as we loosen that, this will come off. We'll put this on. Okay, so let's get this out and we'll put it on a trailer. Okay, so on this hitch, all I have is a little Brinks padlock, which isn't going to do much. And so now let's use this Reese Tow Power to lock up this trailer so that it is protected and safe. So actually what you can do is lock this on first, and it'll just stay there. And then you put this in, slides down, pull the key out, and you are good to go. And so now you can tighten that up as much as you want, but now the only way to get this off is by cutting this, which is you're going to need a blowtorch or a grinder or something. It's not going to be as fast. Now, you can also add a lock like this as well, just for extra insurance on that tongue, but you really probably only need this as well. But very easy to use, and let me show you how easy it is to just take off. Once you turn it, then you just slide it straight down, or you can take this off like that, and then obviously I'll have to take the key off, the key or the padlock off here to release this part here. So very easy to use, and this has teeth on one side, so that's only going on one side, and there you go. Okay, so this is what it looks like when it's installed. It's not going anywhere. It fits on multiple size ball, but yeah, that's not going anywhere or pulling off or anything, so very secure. If you need a lock to lock up a trailer or a boat or any kind of expensive trailer, this is the one for you. Heavy duty, highly recommend. Definitely pick up one of these.